This is a brief discussion on how to join Zoom meeting. As you have the link here, the next thing to do, you go to Zoom. If you download it. If you don't download it, you will go and look for it on Play Store and download it. Go to Zoom and you click on Zoom. So after now, you click on join meeting. Join meeting. So as you click on join meeting now, you copy. You see that in Zoom here, they put the password and username, the ID and the password. You will take it now, you copy it and you go to your Zoom. As you go to your Zoom now, you go to Zoom, join meeting, you paste the password, you paste the ID. Look at the ID here, you paste it. After you click on join meeting. So as you click on join meeting now, it will ask for the password. So the password there, remember the password was 1 2 3 4 5. As you click on the password now, it will take you to the meeting. So the next one is join with video. Join with video. Look at it here, and you click on join with video. So it will take you to the meeting now, to the meeting ground. As you join, after the next one, you click on join audio. If you check here now, audio, you click on it, and the next one, you click on this one, and you start hearing what they are saying on the meeting. So to maximize gain, and it's traded 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. Let us listen to a little bit of the meeting. Cash FX value is transparency, honesty, and respect to our members. I tell you, anything you seek, Cash FX promise, they have delivered. They don't joke with it. They mean whatever it is that they said. They value the members. Whenever you reach out to them through support, when they respond, you will see that they are not just telling you that they respect them, they actually do what they say. We believe these values are the keys to a long-term successful partnership with our global members. Our purpose to provide the Cash FX global membership with our premium academy and our proprietary automated trading technology. To assist members as they discover financial success within the forex market. About us, Cash FX was developed by professionals that have always wanted more from life. These people are often